Hey Hero fans, this is Todd, and yes, I did get a second Castle Grayskull for two reasons. One is so my grandson, he then comes over and he kind of thrashes my Castle Grayskulls, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to get a second one that he can thrash and destroy and have a good time doing. And two, to make a third wall. So check this out. We're going to go ahead and take apart this Castle Grayskull. We're going to remove the hinge pin, hopefully, and we're going to make that, well, not second wall, but third wall. The third wall of Castle Grayskull. So let's go ahead and do a 80s montage of me ripping this thing open and checking it all out. And of course I have some nice music to go along. So here we go. Let's get this box open and see what's inside for those who have not seen how this package is boxed. So now that we have our third floor, our third wall, basically, let's see how it looks if I had just the square that I created for my floor and put it in there. And let's go ahead and grab the actual Castle Grayskull front and stick that on there and see how that looks. And this is just a square piece right here to make like a Castle Grayskull keep, if you will, because it's totally square. And I kind of like how this fits together. Now, I kind of wish I checked it before I put the hinge on, but you can see how the square floor fits in there. There's a small gap in the front, and there's a small gap on the side, but not much. So you don't have to worry about sanding for that extra hinge, but it does look pretty cool, especially when you take and put a figure in from the front, having that small little square and the castle all the way around. It works well. So kind of cool. But that's not what we're here for today. We are not here just to check out how cool it looks with the square. We're going to go full out and make the ultimate Castle Grayskull. So let's go ahead and pull this front off, and let's grab some more floor pieces and see what we can do. So cool. I know, kind of crazy buying a second Castle Grayskull just for the third wall. I was going to actually make a third wall, and I started thinking about it, and it's like, you know, by the time I scan it, print it, make it, it's cheaper just to buy another castle. You can see there how cool it looks with the doors open. And check out inside here. See that little small gap right in front. But it's kind of cool. See? Da-da-da! Castle Grayskull! Totally sealed in. Now, of course, there's a door on the back side, which is the other mouth of the drawbridge. Alright, anyway. Let's get this out of here, and let's go ahead and add those other floor pieces. Now, because I have two walls, I'm going to add not one, but two triangles, one to each side of the pizza wedge slices. I have to first find where I put them. Now, this floor is being mailed out today or tomorrow morning. This actually belongs to somebody else. And then I have another floor. It's just about done. It's waiting for its top coats, which will be going out probably Monday morning. So I've been really busy with the floors. Let's get these triangles in here. And it's kind of funny. I thought it would actually fit together better. But then when I started putting it together, I noticed the connection of that third wall doesn't quite fit the way I was hoping it would. There's a small gap all the way around. Now, because my table's at an angle, I have to use those boards to try to hold up that one side. But you can see it's pretty cool. I mean, we got kind of a nice wide floor here now. Lots of space. So anybody who already bought a floor, if you want another triangle piece, let me know and I will figure out what the price will be for that triangle. I'm not thinking a lot of people are going to want the second triangle because, you know, in order to use it, you got to rip apart another Castle Grayskull, and there is that unsightly seam on the side of it. But as far as the interior goes, it's kind of cool. So there we go. Now I got to find my He-Man. Where are you, He-Man? He-Man! I'm sure he's off the side here. You can see my cool sorceress there with her lighted stand. I can't believe when I got this castle that the sorceress came with the same old flabby knees. I was hoping to get the new sorceress with the fixed new knees, but I guess I did not. Come on, He-Man, put on your shield. Put on your shield, man. Alright, there we go. He is set now. Let's take a look and see the whole floor from the inside view. Yes, that is pretty cool. That floor is monstrous. The castle is monstrous. Now here's what it looks on the outside. And you can see that unsightly view. And the floor is on the inside right now. But so this is the angles that the floor holds it at. So it kind of makes your castle rather large instead of being a square. Now, of course, you can't put the other piece across the back because it won't fit. You would have to do something a little more crazy for the back side. You can see there's the floors right there. How it looks on the inside. Now, it's funny. I can't actually see what I'm filming here, so I have no idea. Just kind of put my camera down here and moved it around. Anyway, it is kind of a cool, fun floor with all three sides on it. I'm thinking about maybe making a new second floor for the third wall. I don't know, maybe not. 2 elevators could work, I guess. They can go up on both sides. 2 computers, in case somebody's using one, somebody can use the other one. Yep. Monstrous. So, I call this my ultimate Castle Grayskull version 1. And hopefully I can do some other stuff to make version 2. See, if I was to get rid of the elevator, I could put that cool computer in there that actually has a real screen on that other side. It should be weird to have a computer on that one side, but not on this side. Anyway, I had a lot of fun setting this up. Unfortunately, my floors are being mailed off today and Monday, so I can't keep doing this until I get my own floors. But when I make my own floors, I'm going to have 2 triangles and a square, so I can do this whole entire large scene looking thing. Alright, let's go ahead and just take the awness of this. Ooh, ah.
If you found enjoyment, like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Do it!